The new and improved chart feature within the Infront Professional Terminal gives you the facility to design and personalize how you want to see the information you require in a visual and simplified manner. Choose which type of chart you need, from line to candlestick, bar to area. You decide, and you can modify your chart with the new menu icons. Choose the time period and resolution relevant to your needs. Instantly preview charts when choosing to add a new study and customize your study to your own specifics, including period and coloring. Compare peers against each other instantly using the Compare Study feature and get immediate charting results. If you like to draw when working with your charts, be sure to use the annotations built into the terminal. And of course, our dedicated settings icon allows you to choose which events you would like to see, such as news, research, and more. You can even choose how you would like your axes to be displayed. It really is that simple. Infront Professional Terminal. Try our charts today.